G'day, got my trusty knife with me today. As you can see, I've got a bag from Amazon. Today's product is actually a book. So we're going to crack this open and see what the book is. I know what the book is. Do you know what the book is? I don't unbox too many books, but today we're doing a book. Here we go. Make sure we don't cut into the book. I'm just going to slice and dice on the non-addressed side just so you don't see any pertinent information. Let's give it another, just to make sure we're getting through. A book which I've been excited about ordering and now becomes available, so let's pull this out. Let's flip it over. The book is Create Something Awesome by the one and only Roberto Blake. How creators are profiting from their passion in the creator economy. So this is a book about the creator economy and succeeding in the creator economy, particularly around creators, whether your creativity is video, audio, some sort of animation, some sort of whatever it is in this electronic age, in this creation space. Roberto is talking about that. So this is the book straight from Amazon, hot off the press. This is a nice printed book. This is, I think he's got this done through Amazon itself. So it's through Amazon Publishing or KDP or whatever they call it. I'm not a book expert. That's something for my pal Dale Roberts to talk about. But here it says, start profiting. Let me get that right. Start profiting from your passion. There's no reason to be a starving artist in this creator economy. You can start earning money doing what you love on your own terms, whether it's a side hustle or a full-time income. So this is a book that seems like it's going to be a very practical book, a very encouraging book, and I'm looking forward to reading it. You can see one of the other books, probably one of the most recent books I got, is YouTube Formula. There, I've also got Tube Ritual by Brian G. Johnson and YouTube Secrets by Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. So this is a worthy addition to the library of books that I have in the content creation space and so forth. These ones are very much YouTube related. This one is broader on the creator economy. So, this is expanding it. Let's have a quick look. This is a very nicely printed book. This is actually well put together. Roberto, cheers on this. I'm going to, just for clarity, I paid for this myself. So when I said cheers for this, I'm saying cheers for Roberto for writing the book. He didn't send it to me. He didn't ask me to review it. Didn't ask me to do anything. I bought this off my own bat because the Kindle version came out a few weeks ago. I like physical books. I love physical books. I prefer physical books. I don't think I've ever read a digital book in my life, even though I have iPads and stuff. I don't think I could read text on an electronic page. I prefer the real deal. So there it is. Let's put that there. Create Something Awesome by Roberto Blake. I guess I need to read it and maybe come back with a review at some point. I don't know how long that'll take because me and books these days, we're a little slow going. Anyway, that's the book. Came in from the old Amazon, and I'll catch you later.